Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on FOSSIBOT F101. To do this, we'll need to launch our Google Chrome. Here, let's already enter Facebook because I want to save my password on the Facebook and not with the app. Okay. Now to access Password Manager, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go to the settings. Inside there's a Password Manager and make sure that offer to save passwords is activated. Now we can enter our credentials. Click on Login and after a few seconds we should see the pop-up with offer to save it. Let's save it and then move back to the Password Manager the same way through the settings. And here it is. On the bottom of this page now you should see the website that you tried to log in and save the password for. Click on it and then you can see your username. There's a password. You can click on this I button and unlock your phone to preview the password if you forgot it. There's option to edit both username and the password, and if you make your changes, click on Done to save it. Now, last option right here is to delete it from the list, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.